Hey y'all, what's up? So I am back with another video. Today I am going to go ahead and be doing a brow tutorial. The products I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil. The next product I am going to be using is the NYX or NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the color Espresso. And then just to clean up my brows, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Toffee. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna go in with the brush and just brush the brow and the way the hairs are going. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do with the pencil is do the inners of my eyebrows so I can form them how I want to have them formed. There is the inside of the brows, as you can see. But now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. There is that brow, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I am going to go in with the LA Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Toffee. And when I'm cleaning it up, I like to brush down so that when I put my eyeshadow on, it'll blend better. Alright, so that is the left brow. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the right. And there you have it, is the eyebrow tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.